Right. So our next tip is to reconcile monthly. Okay. Now, before you tune me out, reconciling sounds really intimidating, but it is a really important step. It's the number one way that you can really catch errors and duplicates in a timely manner. So, what we're doing when we reconcile is we are looking at our bank or credit card statement and we're going to compare that to what's in QuickBooks because it's not helpful if you're running reports in QuickBooks and you're making decisions on those numbers in QuickBooks. But if there's errors and duplicates or missing things, then you're making decisions on bad data and bad information. So after you categorize everything, the next step is to reconcile it. And so QuickBooks makes that pretty easy. You want to go to the gear icon, click on reconcile, and use that function. Do not do this from the bank register. Reach out to me if you don't know what I'm talking about, and I will be happy to help you further. But use the reconcile tab in QuickBooks. And then you're going to compare your bank to QuickBooks. And so it's going to try to do this for you. But what I see sometimes is, let's say you've transferred money from your checking account to your savings account. Well, if you did not properly match those transfers, you're going to have a duplicate because QuickBooks wasn't smart enough at the time to realize that both of those items were related to each other. So that's where I can see errors happen often. I also see this if you're a PayPal user specifically. If you don't know how to match the income in PayPal, then it can look like your income is double what you really were what this will also help you see every once in a while, QuickBooks will have a quirk on a day and it just doesn't download the transactions or it will duplicate transactions. You'll see it twice for some odd reason. So all of these types of things happen. And this is the way that we catch them. And so, what your QuickBooks will try to do for you is it will try to, every time you categorize something, automatically reconcile it. But you'll be able to see in their reconcile tab all of the items that might still be outstanding or weren't matched properly. And so, this will really help you catch all of those errors again so that you can make good decisions. And so people often try to skip this step. They're like, that sounds complicated, but it's really important. So try to do this monthly as a habit, as just part of your bookkeeping routine. If that feels overwhelming, then at least do it quarterly. Don't wait until tax time and try to do a whole year's worth because that can be really overwhelming. So put this on your routine of when you do your bookkeeping, make sure that you reconcile it.